And people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever on a day I connect on a time. The information when I can share today be say this vaccine when it come out, this AstraZeneca vaccine, when Nigeria president they used to want to embrace for the country. Now be the vaccine will be say no way Ireland or Thailand rejected. So then reject them because of say the vaccine they discover say get complications for people wey take them. So the issue was that it's a blood clotting issue concerning the adults when it take them. So then decide to suspend them for a while for now because to see to it so that they not get their citizens into problem. So now be the reason why they can't suspend that. So blood clotting, for people who don't understand, blood clotting now something we say they arrest blood to not to flow according to how it's supposed to take flow. So now it be waiting happen to the person. At the end of the day, the person will get complications. So the reason why I can't share on with you now be say I saw it the other day when the president whether they used to want to embrace and where they go import and come. So because they always depend on foreign things, they're not going to use an indigenous own. Because I saw it the other day with they advertised one vaccine that is good for COVID-19 patients to take. So why they not see to that? Why they not fit go into that one to see if that one is real, can do the work. So moreover, they will not, because why that one another region. So we know they not fit support it to take treat their patients, to take do on their own. So if they support that one, that means that that region or that part of the country they could get enough. The economy you see they more better. It's like they get richer than their own northern part states. So that shouldn't be the reason, because it's supposed to be that if it's good enough for human consumption, if it can do the job or it can treat people, so that should be their goal. That should be what they should be looking at. So not to go and carry this one, we be say they don't even know how they take produce at the content. If not the one way they give them is different for the one way they take for their own country, they don't know. So now be waiting they're supposed to go into. They're supposed to make research of it if it's good enough for citizens. Moreover, self, it not even the country. Why they will even bother? Even when they know say COVID-19 now fake, say not the country. So because the thing of it survive under 27, 28, 29 degrees Celsius. Where be say Nigeria even for night, they see they get those kind of degree when for nights. So the weather see the hot, not to talk of saying daytime. So now make we be say the vaccine, even the vaccine itself, not fit survive under hot weather. So I not see the reason why be say then we go carry this vaccine come. They carry and come because they know say enough will affect anybody. Even the something not even cuckoo day. Not to talk of say they want to immunize people. So it's just all for the money, because already they don't partake of the money where they share with it for the countries will be say it affect when they're supposed to see share for their citizens when they lock down. So since they don't share the money within themselves, so as this vaccine comes, so then you see now see money. So the UN they support them. So all those things that the day after, from my own point of view, not be even say the COVID-19 even day there, because if you look Nigeria weather and you see into the whole prescription we be say then talk about the doctors list out, you will see and say even weather they even indicate the kind of weather we will fit survive with this virus will fit survive, and the weather will be say not go for survive. So now be my own information where I can give you now today. So it's not supposed to be a first thing, it's supposed to be a choice that whoever wish to take can go and take. But in this stage, it's like this is not longer okay at the moment, unless they say to it if it's really good enough. So for people we be say see things say the virus did the country, say they must go immunize themselves. So now they talk to so if they wish to go is their own. But for me, e no dey the country because e no fit survive for that kind weather. If anybody talk say na lie, make e go find out information from the place, from the prescription of this virus, and the where it can survive and where it cannot survive. So you go find out say they are all there. So not be this one we be say that they can't they brainwash people over all those things for their own benefit, to get money for their own pocket. So now what me see for there, I don't know why our leaders they always they do what not they important. There are many things that they are supposed to bring for the masses, like water board is no longer existing, even light is no longer even there. Many things that they are supposed to be doing, they are what they do now, the reverse of the case now that they do, like this amnesty where they sit or say they want grant to people. So amnesty to those bandits. So how you will grant amnesty for bandits just because of say that they kidnap or that they do all those killing people? So you want to grant them amnesty? So that shouldn't be the situation. Something. See, I think Buhari say in go military before in fight civil war before. So waiting be the meaning of this one way in they do so. So you know if you grant amnesty for this kind of people, because this kind of people not be say that they protect their regions, not be say that they protect their resources, say the government to overuse their resources. So not be say now their right then they not even did their right. They don't get right to be killing people unlawfully. So you know if you can grant such people amnesty. The reason why they grant the Niger Delta amnesty be say those ones that they fight for their rights. They were fighting because of the spread of oil in their land that they can no longer farm, and they fight because of say they have to where they take the oil from, they have to still maintain the form of develop that place, so that the people there, citizens there, go see where they work. So you know if you can the tap oil they come on, why be say the citizens suffer, even the land to make farm or oil full or so they know officially where to make farm and fish again. So now it make them start that their fight then, so that in order to even within themselves then. So Shekira and the Yo, even within themselves, they were see fighting because of those one of those reasons of land. So those were them, not concern other people. So these ones will be say they just terrorize all the country. So it's not good. That time all those people, Niger Delta, they not just terrorize all the country. Now just their own side of it they were doing, they were fighting for. So at the end of the day, they grant them amnesty. That is the reason why those people won't be different. Those people now they know they fight for their land, and they just they do anything with they like, they go to anywhere. So you know if you grant to those people amnesty, come grant full and ESP and amnesty for the city the key. So therefore, other people will see start tomorrow, they'll see grant them amnesty. So not be that one I can't talk today. The thing we are coming, the information we are going pass, we say this AstraZeneca vaccine will be say people they take now. So now what happen be this one? Norway, Ireland, and Thailand they suspend them for now. So they not allow their citizens to take it again anymore, because of say they find out say not good enough for their citizens. Because why? The adult we take them, it came back with complication of blood clotting in the system. So now what happen be that? My people, stay safe and be blessed as you listen. Bye.